Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, this one we change by dy over dx. dx we put on the right, y minus 1 to the power of 2 we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have y minus 1 to the power of 3 over 3. This one we have s to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About this one we have conditions. So that means when s equal to number 0, y equals to number 4. So we put number 0 gone here, number 4 gone here to find the value of c. So this one we got 0. This one we have number 9. So c equals to number 9. And I will put number 9 gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.